Tasha, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the amazing pathway over at Timedoor Academy. Here at Timedoor Academy, we offer 6 unique pathways, each designed to spark curiosity and ignite a passion for learning. Are you ready to unlock the future? Whether you want to create stunning websites, build innovative apps, or dive into the exciting world of coding, there's one thing you need: skills. And we've got you covered with the Software Developer Pathway. This pathway is specially designed for teens aged 15 to 18 years old. Let's get started on your path to becoming a real programmer.
With the Software Developer Pathway, we take you step by step through 3 core areas. First, become a JavaScript developer, learning the language that powers the web. Next, designing your own stunning, fully functional website as a website developer. And finally, take your skills mobile as an Android apps developer, bringing your ideas to life in the palm of your hand.
Whether it's for fun, to create something amazing, or to explore a career in tech, this is your moment to shine through this pathway. Code your future with the Software Developer Pathway. Your journey starts here. Let's explore another exciting pathway at Timedoor Academy.